At Scout Systems, we know how crucial strict documentation control is for maintaining accuracy and consistency. In this video, we'll walk you through how to promote an instruction from draft to published and, if needed, assign reviewers, creating a checkpoint to approve any instruction changes before they go live. All of these interactions and changes will be stored permanently and accessible in the change logs. Let's get started. Within a unit in Designer, you'll find three menu options at the top center of the screen. Published, the active instruction used on the production floor, which cannot be edited. Draft, a version that is not visible to production and can be edited. And changelog, we'll come back to that. To promote an instruction from draft to published, click the Publish icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can select which station types need their instructions updated. Input a reason for the instruction changes. Optionally include an engineering change order. Once ready, click Publish to finalize the update. If stricter documentation control is needed, navigate to Admin Work Areas, then edit the desired work area. Scroll down about halfway until you find Publishing Reviewers. Here, you can assign existing HQ users to act as reviewers. By default, all assigned reviewers must unanimously approve any changes before publishing. However, you can override this setting and define a minimum approval requirement if needed. Once you save reviewers to a work area, return to your instruction, and you'll now see their names listed in the Publish window. This confirms that they will be notified for approval before the instruction is published. The changelog is the third option in the top center navigation and provides a historical record of all versions of your instruction. Remember, revisions are tied to your engineering files. Versions are unique numbers that track instruction changes. In the changelog, you can view details about each version, including the approval process and any modifications made over time. Inside the changelog, you will see print preview icons next to each version change. This will give you the ability to go back in time to see what instructions looked like before the changes were applied. Print previews are available in multiple areas within both the draft and published tabs. You can generate them either from an individual station type or from the top level of the unit. If you're using publishing reviewers, you can also export print previews with comparison views, highlighting the exact changes made. As you can see, Scout Systems makes documentation control both easy and efficient. This tutorial covered the essentials, but there are even more advanced features, such as setting a publishing release date and managing communication between reviewers and designers during approval process. If you're interested in exploring these advanced controls, I recommend reaching out to Scout Systems. Our team can help assess your needs and ensure you get the most out of the platform.